Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we do the hard work of comparing products so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's sure to lift your spirits. On the left, we have the Syma drone, and on the right, the Gloral drone with 4K camera RC Quadcopter. Let's see which one soars higher. First up, let's talk about camera quality. The Syma drone comes with a 1080p HD camera. Not too shabby, right? According to reviews, it's perfect for capturing your cat's latest misadventures, or that one time you almost nailed a flip on your skateboard. Now, the Gloral drone flexes with a 4K camera. Yes, you heard that right, 4K. It's like comparing a potato to a Picasso. With a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, this baby is ready to capture everything from scenic landscapes to your failed attempts at cooking. Reviewers love the high-resolution imagery, making it a favorite for social media posts. Next, let's get into the controls. The Syma drone boasts an app that lets you draw a flight path. Reviewers say it's perfect for beginners or anyone who's ever tried to assemble IKEA furniture. It's got modes like headless mode and altitude hold, which make it easier to control. On the flip side, the Gloral drone takes it up a notch with intelligent flight modes. We've got GPS follow, route planning, and even fly around 360 degrees. According to reviews, it's like the drone went to flight school and graduated with honors. So while you're busy pretending to be a Hollywood director, this drone does all the heavy lifting. Safety first, folks. The Syma drone comes with low voltage protection and overcurrent protection. Reviewers appreciate these features, noting that it's like wearing a helmet while riding a tricycle. Good, but not exactly life-changing. It's got propeller guards too, so you won't accidentally give your pet a new haircut. Now, Gloral drone goes all out with advanced flight control systems, GPS technology, and return-to-home functionality. Reviewers say it's like hiring a bodyguard for your drone. Even if you lose signal or the battery's about to die, this drone will find its way back home. It's basically the drone equivalent of Lassie. Flight time is a biggie. The Syma drone gives you up to 40 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. Reviewers note that it's like binge-watching 2 episodes of your favorite show before Netflix asks if you're still there. But wait, the Gloral drone offers a whopping 46 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate this extended flight time, comparing it to almost an entire movie. So if you're the type who likes to spend more time in the air than on the ground, Gloral is your go-to. Finally, let's talk about the price. The Syma drone is a steal at $99. Reviewers find it surprising and delightful, like finding a 20 in your old jeans. On the other hand, the Gloral drone costs $179. It might be a bit of a pinch, but reviewers agree that you get what you pay for. It's like comparing a fast food burger to a gourmet steak. Both will fill you up, but one's definitely a cut above. Overall, reviewers find the Syma drone to be a great entry-level option, perfect for beginners and kids, offering ease of use and decent features. Meanwhile, the Gloral drone is praised for its superior camera quality, advanced features, and longer flight time, making it a top choice for those looking to invest in a high-quality drone. So there you have it, folks. If you're balling on a budget and just want to have some fun, the Syma drone is your best buddy. But if you're looking for top-notch quality and features that make you feel like a drone-flying James Bond, then the Gloral drone is worth the extra bucks. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying!